One of the strangest things about vanilla being considered a default flavor is that until the 1900s, it was actually thought of as really exotic. Like, it's still one of the most labor-intensive flavors to produce, it has a crazy complex chemical profile, it was literally used as an aphrodisiac, and now we just perceive it as bland and boring. That's because around the early 1900s, we started producing massive quantities of synthetic vanilla, which now makes up about 99% of the world's vanillin supply. As a result, it became really easy to make things like vanilla ice cream to the point where it became a standard expected option, but also one where the original flavor was diluted. Around the 1940s, we then started using the phrase plain vanilla to mean conventional, and then the gay liberation movement in the 1970s popularized the phrase vanilla to mean conventional sex, and now we have things like the vanilla girl aesthetic, which is this minimalist trend. Now, all of this is part of a linguistic process called semantic bleaching, where a meaning gets less intense over time, and ironically, in this case, it mirrored what happened to the actual flavor. However, that particular idea of vanilla being boring is kind of a Western construct. For example, in Japanese, vanilla has a positive association of friendliness and familiarity, so it's good to be called vanilla. The point is, anytime we consider something to be a default option, that's only because people in society decided to treat it that way, and you can actually look at vanilla as this very interesting thing.